Crochet tip time.
Get a package of these alphabet beads from the Dollar Tree. Grab some metal stitch markers. Grab the letter of the hook that you are using and slide it onto the metal stitch marker, like so. Then just stick it onto your project and you will always know what hook you are using.
If your yarn balls and cakes keep coming unraveled, try this great Dollar Tree tip. Just grab a package of snap clip barrettes, take the end of your yarn and slide the barrette on and snap it closed. There you go. And then you can do that with cakes and with balls of yarn and it works just great. Check it out. Nothing comes loose.
Check out this crochet tip.
If you don't have a regular stitch marker, check this out. You can use a safety pin. You can use a bobby pin. You can use a paper clip. You can even use a piece of scrap yarn.
Happy crocheting!
If you have trouble with the magic circle, watch this video. So just first take your yarn and wrap it around these 3 fingers in an X shape, just like this. Then you're going to take your crochet hook and slide it underneath this yarn here and up over the top of this top yarn. Pull it through just like this. See that? Now we're going to take this piece of yarn and pull it through that loop. And there you go. That is your magic ring. You will then work all of your single or double or triple crochets in the center here and you'll be able to tighten it with no problem.
Here's another crochet tip.
Do you have trouble keeping track of your rows when you crochet? If so, grab your nearest bubble toy and a Sharpie. Use your Sharpie to number each of the bubbles. Make sure you number the back as well to get double the use out of your bubble toy. Just press down each bubble as you complete each row. Have fun! Screenshot your crochet pattern to keep track of your rows. Click on Edit, then click the little pencil to mark up. Choose the color highlighter you would like and mark off your rows as you go. Follow me for more tips. If you don't have a stitch marker when you're crocheting, here's a good tip. Pull up a big long loop, stick your yarn right through the loop, and then pull it tight. It really works.